Hello children. In computer programming, data is an important word. Data plays an important role in programs and their execution. And variables are used to hold data values through assignment or by passing values to methods as parameters. The process of accepting values from the user for a variable is called input. This is achieved by taking values from the user either by parameterized input or input using scanner class. Now, what is parameterized input? In BlueJ, it is actually the BlueJ's unique method of passing values through parameters. Here is a program given test where we have taken int a and int b as the parameters of main function. Now for these a and b, the input will be supplied by the user. How? When the program will be executed, at the time of execution, a dialog box will be displayed like this, where we can input the values of the variables a and b, and then you select OK. So like this, the dialog box will be displayed on the screen. One more program is given over here where we are taking input as a real number and then after rounding off, the nearest integer will be printed. Now in this program, class real number and as the parameter float n is taken to accept the real number from the user. Now I am explaining this program. After taking the input from the user, with that real number 0.5 is being added and then the integer part is taken. Now this is the program and let's discuss the output. Suppose input is given 17.3. Now when 17.3 is given as the input, the value of n is becoming 17.3. Now if I add 0.5, it will be 17.8. Now the integer part will be 17 only. Integer part will be 17 only. Let's take the next input. Next input is taken 8.7. Now if it is 8.7, 0.5 will be added and after addition it will give 9.2. If I take the integer number, it will be 9 only. We know that round off means a number which is given over here 8.7. That number will be giving you 9. Why? Because 0.7 is greater than 7 is greater than 5. That only is made in other way by adding 0.5. As 0.3 is less than 0.5, so the rounded off value will be 17 only. So there if we add 0.5, it will give 17.8, so integer part will give again 17. So it's a trick of the programming. Here are few programs you will write. To take the input, you will use parameterized method. parameterized input method.